Ayan, may question tayo here from Dex. Sabi niya, Doc, kapag walang tumutubo na acne after 7 months, pag-take ng isotretinoin, okay na po ba siyang itigil? Paano po ba ito? So Dex, I suppose meron po kayong derma, pero ayaw kong pangunahan ng dermatologist niyo po, okay? So in terms of the duration of isotretinoin intake, depende yan sa maraming factors, no? Depende yan sa maraming bagay. One is the dose. So, if ever yung dose naman ninyo, medyo mataas yung dose ninyo, I think 7 months is okay. But this still depends on your exact dose. And, syempre, kailangan natin makuha yung cumulative dose, which is mainly based on your weight. So, if medyo on the heavier side tayo, and medyo low dose tayo, and 7 months might not actually be enough in my opinion. For my patients kasi, hindi lang weight kasi yung binabasehan natin in terms of the dosing and duration. Siyempre, as you have improvements along the way and depende rin yan sa labs ninyo, kung okay ba yung mga labs ninyo, pwede nating taasan or babaan or i-maintain yung dose ng inyong isotretinoin. Pero alam nyo po, in terms of your dosing, in terms of mga concern na ganyan, kung meron po kayong board-certified dermatologist, ang maganda po talaga is tanungin yung doctor ninyo. Kasi guys, sa mga protocols ng isotretinoin, sometimes po nagkakaiba-iba yung treatment protocols ng ating mga dermatologists. So, baka ma-confuse lang po kayo if patanong-tanong kayo sa iba't ibang dermatologists. If nagdo-doctor or derm hopping po kayo, so, hindi po yun makakabuti sa inyo kasi mako-confuse lang po kayo, malilito po kayo niyan. So, I suggest ask nyo po yung board-certified dermatologist niyo. But for me, if nagsabi ako sa patients, mas maganda kung ituloy mo pa. But pag sinabi ng patient, Doc, pwede ko na po bang stop yung isotretinoin ko because of reasons such as financial, no? Siyempre, yung decision pa rin ng patient ang mag-prevail. Magagawa lang naming board-certified dermatologist is mag-recommend sa pasyente. But if may mga pressing reasons po ang pasyente to stop isotretinoin, then kailangan po nating sundin or kailangan po nating i-consider talaga yung pasyente. So yun guys. So I hope this helps. For more acne tips, follow me and Basta Acne DMD. Bye!